Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we will make Eggless chocolate walnut brownie. These delectable brownies are too hard to resist. You can serve them with ice cream and chocolate sauce also. So now, without wasting time, let's start with the recipe. For the brownies, we first need to make the chocolate sauce. For the chocolate sauce, take 120 grams of compound dark chocolate in a pan. Add 90 ml of water to it. We need to stir it continuously to avoid lumps. You can adjust the flame from sim to medium. Our chocolate sauce is now ready. We will keep it aside and let it cool down completely. For our dry ingredients, we will take 140 grams of all-purpose flour, MAIDA, that is 1 cup of maida. We will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Along with it, we will add half a teaspoon of baking soda. We will now sift it together. Sifting is a very important step as it aerates the dry ingredients and we can evenly mix them and our batter becomes light. Now moving on to our wet ingredients. We will first take 75 grams of butter. I have microwaved the butter a bit for few seconds. We will add now 25 grams of powdered sugar. We will now whisk it for approx 3 minutes with a hand beater. You can also use electric beater, it will take less time. We need to whisk it until it becomes light and fluffy. Our butter has become lighter and fluffier. You can see the change in the color. After whisking, we will now add vanilla essence, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, along with half a tin of condensed milk, that is 200 grams of condensed milk. This looks so tasty. We need to whisk it now again for 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure you always whisk the cake in a single direction. Our wet ingredients are now ready. We will now add in the melted chocolate to it. Our melted chocolate has cooled down completely. Now we need to whisk it again for a minute or so that we get a smooth texture. Now it's time to add in our dry ingredients. We will add in our dry ingredients in 2 batches so that there are no lumps. Gently mix it. Now we need to add in our second lot. Now mix it again. And finally, brownie batter is ready. Just look at the consistency of the batter. It should not be too flowy because we are making brownies. Cakes are always generally a bit flowy than the brownies. Now for our final step, I have taken a round dish. I have greased it with oil, lined it with a parchment paper, and now we are going to transfer our brownie batter into the dish. Give it a tap, few taps, and then we will just even the layer with the help of this spatula. Brownies taste too good along with walnuts. We will take 1/8 cup of walnut, crushed walnut, and we will roughly spread it on the top. This will now go in the preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Keep checking the brownies after 30 minutes as every oven is different. Now here is a tip. Once our cake or brownies rise, always turn off the upper element so that our brownies or cake bake properly and they do not get a hard surface, a hard texture on the top. So once the cake rises, always bake it on the lower element only. After 40 minutes, our brownie is now completely ready. We will let it cool down and then we will transfer it on the wire rack. This is looking so tempting. I will just show you how soft our brownie is. Isn't this looking irresistible? I'll cut a piece and I'll show it to you once again. I hope you all liked the video. If you did like the recipe, do try it. Please drop a comment in the comment section below. Do let me know how did it turn out. Do share the recipe with your friends, family, like the video and subscribe to my channel. We'll be back with more interesting and fun recipes. Until then, bye bye.